Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior
MPBA now. Sa ano yun? Under 13 sa Pubs. Oo nga, Pampanga. Our third game of today in the under 16 division naman tayo. The champions from Pampanga taking on the champions from Leyte, or as you say, Samar, Eastern Samar. Oasis taking on Ultimate Agrio. Baron Mercado covering the action. And let's talk about first yung mga players natin dito, the teams that we're having. Boys from Pampanga wearing their blue jerseys. Meanwhile, itong taga Eastern Samar wearing their blue jerseys. At itong Ultimate Pampanga squad, hindi na sa atin bago for this Junior MPBL tournament. Meron silang teams in the under 12, 13. Of course, itong Pampanga, really rich in basketball history. Dami tayong mga kaibigan dyan as Peña goes up and waits for that contact. Angat nitong si Eugene Peña. Knocking down the first one. Again for Pampanga. Ang dami nilang mga teams dyan. Gonna name some few. Fabs Pampanga, of course. Ito nga, Ultimate Team, Ultimate RS Bravo. Mga knockover ko on that Pampanga squad. Ang dami nila dyan. Mga players na talagang tumatak sa atin sa Junior MPBL Pocket League. Doon ko sila madalas nako-cover, and really nice to see these guys back in the Junior MPBL flag. Meanwhile, for this Eastern Samar latest squad, Oasis Ballers, really nice to see them. At nakakatuwa ding i-cover yung mga kababayan natin on the Visayas region. So this is Visayas versus Luzon, as Pampanga and Leyte getting it on. 4-2 is the score lamang itong Eastern Samar. Again, sa kampo ng Pampanga as they go for that drive. That is Kyle Abas. Going in for that attack. Gonna give a special shoutout. Nakita ko dito kanina, of course, the head coaches and the assistant coach ng Pampanga, Coach Cao Cabrera and Coach Elmer Gonzales. No, di pa nagsisimula yung laro. Binati na tayo ng ating mga coaches na madalas nating nakikita, madalas nating na kakausap sa Pocket League. Kaya alam ko yung mga kaibigan natin dyan sa Pampanga nanunood ngayon ng aksyon dito. At yung mga kababayan naman natin sa Eastern Samar, sa Leyte area, nakatutok dito sa laban na to. Maraming nag-aabang na magpakitang gilas itong mga players natin as that drive going in para dito sa Ultimate Pampanga. 6-4 is the score. Gonna go for that drive. Jordan for 3. That is in. Edison Jordan, part of this Pampanga squad. A very, very lethal player is Edison. Not sure if nandyan din yung kanyang kapatid. Pero may kapatid dyan dito, si just forgot the name, but covered both of them. Pati itong si Eugene Peña. I believe on one of the leagues, nagkampi pa sila ni Chog Moral, itong si Eugene Peña. And with that said, maya natin tuloy ang kwentuhan. 9-4 is the score, lamang ang Pampanga.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't
5:40 remaining. Lamang ang Pampanga after the 3-pointer by Edison Jordan. Alley-oop play. Sayang yun. Abbas gets that rebound. Will go on the side. Balik dito sa Leyte after that wild attempt. So I see here a lot of names for this Pampanga squad. Kung tama ko nakita, Sean Vargas is also here. He is a really, really fun player to watch. So sila ni Edison Jordan talaga mga aabangan natin. Meanwhile for Leyte, let's see sinong mga magpapakilala sa kanila. One of them scoring that basket. That is Elmer Gagarino picking up the miss. Edison finds a teammate. Couldn't complete that basket. Nice passing on that play. Nakalusot yung bola na yon on the side. Depensa ng Ultimate RS or ng Ultimate Pampanga, I should say. Nasanay akong Ultimate RS Bravo because that is their team in the Pocket League. Now on the latest side, no look pass, delivering the goods. Nice conversion by Jerwin Candido. Bilis ng responde. Kyle Abbas. Scoring at will. 11-10 ang ating score dito. Looking to make some plays. Didiskarte. Lucky Villavicencio. Oh! Wait a minute! Santino Navales making that three from way downtown. Nakakuha pa ng foul. What a shot! Santino Navales with an answered prayer. Missing on this free throw, gets his own miss. Couldn't make it a 5-point swing. Pero lamang na ang late dito. 13-2. Nakita ko pumasok na rin si Chua. Inigo Chua for Pampanga. Checking in as well, CJ Guinness. Also seeing here Sean Felizmania, or Felizmania I should say, has entered the ball game in a backcourt violation. Nakita ko si Sean Felizmania so sorry agad dun sa kanilang bench. Here he is for 3. That is off the mark. Solid rebound on the other side. Looking to push. Nice pass by Gian. Basket though didn't arrive. Felizmania fighting for that possession. Was keeping in check itong si Jerwin Candido. 2 minutes 15 remaining dito sa ating first quarter, and that basket goes in. Lucky Villavicencio enters the scoring column, and Sean Felizmania scores his first 2. A minute 50 remaining. Lamang ng dalawa ang Leyte after that run by Pampanga early. Getting a 3-pointer. Nasagot naman sila nung 3-pointer ni Navales as that steal is made. Looking to make a forward pass. That second try was denied on the left side. Sinubukang makahabol ni Guinness. Caught an arm on that drive attempt. Will now shoot their free throws in. Gonna make something happen on this play. Missing on the first. (16-13) ang ating score. Sean couldn't knock it down. (16-13) ang ating score. Corner 3. A miss by Candido, I should say. Hindi makakakuha ng three-pointer there to increase the lead to 6 points. 42.3 remaining. Pampanga, after a solid start, trailing now by 3 points because of that wild three-pointer by Navales. And that really is that distance, yung three-pointer na yun from way downtown. Santino Navales really giving them that lead. Chua having some difficulty there. Medyo ika-ika. Now a 3-ball is hoisted. That is off the mark. Looking to make a run. Here's Chua. May iniinda on that offensive play. A 2-on-3. Villavicencio couldn't get that basket to go. A 3-point lead by the guys from Leyte, Samar area. 13-16 lamang ang Eastern Samar. Second quarter action dito sa ating Battle of Champions sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL. Now closing in for 2. Edison Jordan scoring the first 2 points in the second quarter for Pampanga. Leyte had a solid response on that initial Pampanga attack. Naka-diskarte, nakagawa ng paraan. A lot of players for them really contributing. I see itong si Jerwin Candido, Santino Navales, Elmer Gagarino, just a couple of players scoring for Eastern Samar, helping them to make a run. And speaking of which, one of them now entering the free throw area, Gian Mangupit, looking to add more points in this one. Edison Jordan completes that end one. 7 points na itong si Edison. Completing that 3-point play, 18-16 is our tally. Let's see what will happen here. A long bomb didn't detonate. A chance to run. looking to scoot their way in, one-hand floater. Hindi pa pasok para sa Pampanga. For Leyte, looking to regain the lead here. 2-point deficit. Scooting one in. Nice pass. Jumper is good. Nice save. Nice basket. That is all effort. And that is one of the things that these players from the provincial circuit, provincial leg, really known for, yung kanilang mga effort, really wanting to make a statement, wanting to make their name. Eastern Samar boys, after losing the lead momentarily because of that run made by Edison Jordan, that 5-0 run, balik sa kanilang kalamangan, looking for that forward pass. Pero ang gusto ni Escala, wanting to give him a pick, medyo nagkaroon ng miscommunication on that last end. 6:20 remaining. Eugene Peña fakes and scores. Felizmania going for the attack. Sean all the way. Crashing and burning on that last play is a Sean Felizmania. Pero lamang na itong Pampanga 22-20.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga.
After that Sean Felizmania basket, lamang na ang Pampanga 22-20. Leyte once again susubukang makabawi dito sa ating laro, but they committed a turnover on the other side. Sabi ni Analea Romuros, ano daw po ang next game? Let's see. Let's check on our schedule. Our next game will be Apong Cagayan versus Zamboanga. So, yun po, under 16 division. Apong Cagayan taking on Harbor Pilot Zamboanga. Yun po ang ating next game for today. Kaya, if you are supporting those teams, as that 3 goes in for Lucky Villavicencio, gives them back the lead, and Sean Felizmania closes the lane, retakes the lead back. Villavicencio on the push, no call. 5 quick points para dito kay Villavicencio. Nice pass by Guinness. And Felizmania with a putback. (28-25), Guinness takes the ball and scores. CJ Guinness making an assist, a steal, and a basket. 30-25. Yan ang ating talaan for today with 3:22 remaining dito sa ating first half of action. Sean Eugene Peña will be called for that foul ay itong Leyte. Looking to score in, knocking down the first one. Knocks down the second one. (32-25), 7-point lead. Nice pass, a smart play. Medyo malalim na, making that last second decision. Buti na lang merong kakamping nakabang sa ilalim, giving them a 2-point conversion. Felizmania taking over in the second quarter for Pampanga. Had a slow start itong si Sean Felizmania. Misses on the first. (33-27). Di makakapasok ng floater on that beautiful play. Felizmania once again. Nice pass by Eugene Peña. And on the other side, a tough fall. But no bad play intended there. Just a hard foul given by Eugene Peña. Knocks down the second one. 35-29. 6-point lead. Arzola. Again, Felizmania just delivering every Pampanga goods here. Gets that steal. Sean now attacks. High looper is in. It is really a Felizmania mania in this game. 39-29. Nakakailan na yan si Sean. Fakes, shoots, won't score, putback won't work. Third serving will be fine. 39-31. Arzola, nice spine to Kyle Abas. Now Pampanga has gotten off their start here. 41-31. Sampu na ang kailangang habulin dito ng Eastern Samar. Had a good line. Peña secures that rebound. Forward pass by Jordan. Arzola drops it to Abas. Kyle can't make that basket. Candido looking to make that bounce pass. Tumama sa paa ni Eugene Peña. Three ball to beat the buzzer. Didn't fall, but Pampanga up here by 8 points, 41-33. We are at halftime.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo.
Third quarter action as Edison Jordan starts off that attack with a 3. Nagbabalik tayo for Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions dito sa loob ng Banana Court in Las Piñas. Baron Mercado covering the action. Oasis Eastern Samar looking to inch closer here. Only down by 6 points. Chua for 3. That is in. First 3-pointer of the half. Medyo okay na. Wala nang iniinda itong si Chua. To start things off, Pampanga knocking down that 2-pointer. Thought that was a 3 by Chua. Nag-reflect sa ating scoreboard, only a 2. So both teams scoring 2-pointers. Arzola, balik kay Jordan. 3 is in. So that is your 5-point swing. Chua and Jordan knocking down on that shot. A player is down. Is that Chua? Ooh, that's Chua again. Kanina, ika-ika siyang naglalakad nung kanyang time on the first quarter. Ngayon, after hitting that basket, parang bumigay yung kanyang ankle on that last possession. Really didn't saw what happened. So one thing I know, kanina on the early moments of this game, ika-ika naglalakad itong si Chua, asked to be subbed out. And now, after he hit that jumper, that long 2, bigla siyang bumagsak dito. At you see, assistant coach Elmer right there, Elmer Gonzalez, checking on Chua and again able to put a weight on that foot. Usually a good sign. Unlike nung nakita natin kay James Enriquez kanina for San Pedro Spartans, na hirapan talaga. Just couldn't get on his spots. Sabi ni James Celada, go Eastern Samar, pati na rin si Nelson Daginod. Go Eastern Samar daw. So let's see if they can have a strong second half. That's one way to do it. A good 3 to counter. Answering back Jordan. Bounce pass. Abbas. They look for the open man. Jordan once again from way downtown. Gets that rebound. What a move. Gimme. CJ Gimes. Shocking everyone. (48-38) ang ating score. Last touch, it will be on the side of Pampanga. Natapik ni CJ, pero natapik din ng isang Eastern Samar player. That is why we have a 10-point advantage here. Talking about ultimate, Arzola sends it out. Jordan again. Referees will call an unsportsmanlike foul dito kay Santino Navales. So needs to sit, needs to rest. Edison Jordan at the line. A lethal scorer, a lethal shooter. Knocks down the first one. Knocks down the second. Bola pa ng Pampanga after that unsportsmanlike call. Knocking his free throws in. Balik sa Pampanga ang bola dito. (51-38). Arzola looking to attack here using this Abbas pick. Sends it out. A 3 by Jordan. A sniper from the outside. That's what? His third three-pointer of the contest. Waxing hot para dito sa team ng Pampanga, and a steal by Abbas. Gotta love players like Kyle Abbas just doing the dirty work for his squad. Arzola drawing attention. Jordan again. That is off the mark. I'm ready to explode if Jordan makes that three. (54-38) is our score. Let's see if Pampanga can play defense. A big three to answer. Eastern Samar boys medyo nanlalamig ng bahagya on their offense. Arzola turned away. Nice rescue by CJ. Gimes. Extra pass. Here is Jordan. Sends it out. Abbas, 3 off the mark. 54-38. Another swing. A big shot. Won't fall. Fakes. Waits for the opponent. Abbas takes the ball. Arzola all the way. Wanting to or thinking of passing it to CJ. Pati si Comkit Picasso, Sir Wendell, sinasabi tira na. Maybe too unselfish yung mindset ni Arzola dito, but he has been effective being the main playmaker para dito sa Pampanga. Miss 3. Recovers inside. Masyadong na baby. Yung tira na yun, Peña's outlet pass was intercepted. Leyte boys will score. Back-to-back mix of that set play. Force a turnover. Laying it in with 3 minutes 25 to go. Third quarter is the Edison Jordan quarter. Gimes. Sabi niya, ako rin. Pasali ako sa highlights. (58-44) with 2 minutes 50 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Hands up on that Jordan 3. That's at least 4 3-pointers on Edison Jordan. Now leaking out. Nice pass. Feliz Manya returns. You have Jordan on the outside. You have Feliz Manya on the inside. How can you stop this attack by Pampanga? One way to do it Knock down your shots. CJ Gimes also attacking the lane. CJ. Pass was too weak. Felismania, I believe, will have the last touch. Hindi makakalusot yung scoop shot. Before making that pass, merong foul na itatawag. Russell Castro cheering for CJ. And sabi ni James Celada, shout out now from Oasis Ballers Academy. Special shout out to you guys. Still having some life. Itong Eastern Samar. 63-49. Arzola looking for Felismania. Sean for 3. That is too strong. Looking back, another shot, another make. What in outside shooting. Joshua Yabora. Nakakadalawa na rin yan dito sa ating third quarter. 25 seconds remaining. Felismania and 1. (65-52) is the score. Joshua sends it outside. One dribble, pull up. That is off the mark. Gets that rebound. Basket is in. Down to 11. A steal. Di makaka-convert, and end of the third quarter. Again, the Edison Jordan shootout. Pampanga having an 11-point lead end of the third.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod.
Final quarter dito sa bakbakang Pampanga at Eastern Samar. Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Villavicencio sends it on the right wing. Nice recovery on that rebound, pero 6 seconds on the shot clock. Villavicencio start things off. Villavicencio, I should say, lucky was able to score on that one. 65 to 56. Sean Felizmania, that second quarter damage. Balik kay Arzola. Rejected that time. 10 seconds to go. Jordan again. Front iron on that 3. Nagmamadali on that right side. Edison with a takeaway. Arzola able to pick it up. Sean Felizmania couldn't get that finish. Kyle Abbas is there for the putback. $65 to 56. Missing on that 3. Jordan throws it up. Arzola this time. Siya naman ang i-score. Has done the majority of the playmaking para dito sa Pampanga. Sabi niya, ako naman ang didiskarte dito. Nice block. Anticipating that one at a technical foul. Ang itatawag dito after that stare down by Elidan. Keith Elidan called for taunting. Villavicencio lucky at the line. $69 to 57. Felizmania's turn. Couldn't get it. Keith couldn't secure that putback. Layup is good. 10 ulit. 69-59 as Edison Jordan, Felizmania playing at the same time. Weapons in full display. Arzola too tight, spins. Jordan open, 3, good. Edison Jordan on your back but shooting like Curry. Itong si Edison. Lucky Villavicencio with an answer. 72 to 62. Jordan looking to pull up one more time. I can see it. Felizmania breaks the defense. Nice on that last one. Balik ang bola dito sa Pampanga. Just doing so much damage itong si Edison Jordan. 72 to 62. Gimes I should say. Nice pass by Keith. It is on the ground. Shot clock violation. $72 to 64. 8-point lead. Hindi pa uli ang lahat para sa Eastern Samar players. But they need to make a lot of stops here. Edison right in front of us. Nice defense by Kiminales. Felizmania just getting it on that ball. (74-64). A 3-ball. Joshua. That is off the mark. On the run once again. Here's Arzola. Emergency pass. Balik dito kay Felizmania. Sean. 3. That is off the mark. And Arzola and company just getting in those offensive rebounds. Arzola looks to break the defense down. On the run, Kiminales wants to take it on himself. (74-66). Jordan. He is just scorching hot. Kung gaano kainit sa labas, ganun kainit ang shooting ni Edison dito. Jordan unconscious from the outside. Felizmania this time attacks the basket. Rebound in. (13-point lead. 79-66. Stepping through for that jumper. Third 3-pointer. Masyadong malakas. Villavicencio. Felizmania ready to run. 3-on-1 on that end. Frustrating on the side of Eastern Samar. They had numbers, just didn't get that basket to go in. 2:53 remaining. We have a timeout call.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba.
Two minutes 45 remaining dito sa ating fourth quarter. Solid 13-point lead para sa Pampanga. Gimes for 3. That is off the mark. A nice tap. The effort really is on the side of Pampanga. Jordan is right in front of me. Edison stepping back. Even on a violation, pasok pa din. (79-66). Arzola, Eugene Peña, Jordan looking to step through. Balik kay Eugene. Arzola this time breaking the defense. Napapariyak ako dito sa aking kinauupuan. What a move sana. But that time, making that play ay itong latest squad. Eugene Peña. All moments here, hindi nga lang maipasok. Kanina it was Arzola on the left. Eugene Peña looking to score on the right. This couldn't convert. But what a performance by Pampanga. Edison Jordan having all his mark in this game.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba.
A minute 16, Eugene Peña and company. Why not? Why not for Edison Jordan? And he's not done yet. He is not done yet. Missing on that shot, that opportunity. Nice steal by Arzola. Again, for me, he is the stabilizer of this offense para sa Pampanga. Meanwhile, for Leyte, they go all the way. 82-70. Looking to break this defense down once again. Final 27 seconds remaining. Jordan, last shot. That is off the mark. Good showing pa rin para sa champions ng Eastern Samar. But Pampanga was just too much. Second quarter, Sean Felizmania taking over. Pagdating ng third quarter and the fourth, all eyes are on Edison Jordan, product of Adamson University, skying high for this win. Pampanga winning it 82-72. Our third game is over. Our fourth game is over, I should say. We will continue our coverage sa aming pagbabalik.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan